The Canon MF654Cdw wireless laser printer is an excellent choice for small and medium-sized businesses due to its efficient performance and low maintenance requirements. This printer is versatile, capable of printing on various media types and sizes, including envelopes and banners, making it suitable for diverse printing needs. With a customizable 5-inch color touchscreen, users can enjoy an intuitive and seamless experience while navigating the printer's functions. The Canon MF654Cdw delivers fast print speed up to 22 pages per minute, producing sharp and vibrant documents with high-quality Canon Genuine Toner. It features a generous paper capacity with a 250-sheet standard cassette, a 50-sheet automatic document feeder, and a 1-sheet multipurpose tray. Connectivity is a breeze, with options for high-speed USB, Ethernet, or wireless printing, and it supports various mobile applications for convenient printing from compatible devices.